Hey G-Shock fans, welcome to my next G-Shock clip here. Today I have a really special piece. Let's open it. It's the Johnny Cupcakes, brand new, limited. The release was yesterday. Here we go. Johnny Cupcakes, G Shock. Spend time on others, make time for yourself. Do more of what makes you happy. JohnnyCupcakes.com. The GDX6900JC-3CR. Make cupcakes, not war. So let's open it. Here is module number 3420. Bounty card. Johnny Cupcakes logo. And now let's see the tin. Johnny Cupcakes G Shock. Beautiful tin, really special. Yeah, look at this, really special. And of course, the bottom, make time for yourself, spend time on others. Really sick tin. Let's open it. Here is the watch. Let's start at the band. Really great band. What the hell? Really a sick piece. Red dials. Great band. It's matte. Matte keeper, of course. And backplate is Johnny Cupcakes logo. The skulls, the bones, and a little cupcake here. Silver buckle. Let's see the watch again. Man, look at this great face. Casio. Great dials. Beautiful watch. White buttons at the side. Look at this great dials. So let's see the backlight. Man, look at this great backlight here. Really beautiful. Here we go. Sick, really sick piece. Limited. It's a must-have for every collector. Beautiful. Let's see it on my wrist. One moment, please. Yeah, here we go. Beautiful, sick. GDX. Yeah. Thanks a lot for watching, and when you can get this piece you should buy it, definitely. It's a great collector's piece. Thanks a lot, have a nice day, take care, bye.